Hi there, welcome to Storytextbook. I'm Lorenzo. Today we're going to learn and practice using time clauses. Time clauses help us talk about when something happens by connecting two events in time. These clauses often begin with words like when, before, after, until, and while. They provide important information about the timing and order of events. Let's dive in. Can you tell me what you do when you wake up in the morning? You have 10 seconds. You might say, when I wake up in the morning, I brush my teeth. This sentence uses a time clause with when to show that brushing your teeth happens immediately after waking up. Nice. Can you describe what you do before you go to bed? You have 10 seconds. An example answer could be, before I go to bed, I read a book. This sentence uses a time clause with before to show that reading happens before going to bed. Nice! How about telling me what you do after you finish your homework? You have 10 seconds. You might say, after I finish my homework, I watch TV. This sentence uses a time clause with after to indicate that watching TV happens after finishing homework. Awesome! Now, can you share what you do until your friends arrive? You have 10 seconds. An example could be, until my friends arrive, I play video games. This sentence uses a time clause with until to describe what you do while waiting for your friends. Well done! Can you tell me what you do while you are waiting for the bus? You have 10 seconds. You might say, while I'm waiting for the bus, I listen to music. This sentence uses a time clause with while to show that listening to music happens during the time you are waiting for the bus. Fantastic! Now, can you describe what you do when you get home from school? You have 10 seconds. You could say, when I get home from school, I have a snack. This sentence uses a time clause with when to show that having a snack happens after you get home. Nice! Finally, can you share what you do before you start a new project? You have 10 seconds. An example answer is, before I start a new project, I make a plan. This sentence uses a time clause with before to show that making a plan happens before starting the project. Excellent work! You did a fantastic job practicing time clauses with me today. Remember, time clauses help us connect events in time and show when something happens. They often start with words like when, before, after, until, and while. Keep practicing and you'll become even more confident. Don't forget to subscribe to Storytextbook for more engaging and educational lessons. See you in the next class. Bye!